I did not print this 3D printed toy, but I bought it from Temu. I have seen a lot of videos of this toy and I thought I would learn and I would crack the code to find out how this worked, but ended up playing a little bit and giving it to the kids, and the kids do like it. More interesting thing is that the surface is not as smooth. You can see it in the video clearly and you can hear the noise, but the spiral does work very smooth when it is dropped. This is quite good for playing, so if you want you can buy it. Thanks for watching the video.